Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到从零开始学英语。今天这期视频，我们将模拟一次完整的西餐用餐体验，从进门时的 Table for two 2人位，到点餐时的 What do you recommend 有什么推荐，再到用餐时的 Refills 续杯，以及最后的 Split the bill 分开结账。我把这50个最实用的句子按照时间顺序串联了起来，只要跟着视频走一遍，下次走进餐厅，你就是最地道的时刻。让我们正式开始学习吧。我想预定2个人的位子。
I'd like to make a reservation for 2. I'd like to make a reservation for 2. I'd like to make a reservation for 2.
今晚还有空桌吗？
Do you have any tables available for tonight? Do you have any tables available for tonight? Do you have any tables available for tonight?
晚上7点。
For 7 p.m. For 7 o'clock p.m. For 7 p.m.
预定名字是 Mia。
Under the name of Mia. Under the name of Mia. Under the name of Mia.
请给我一张2人的桌子。
A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please.
我们没有预定。
We haven't booked a table. We haven't booked a table. We haven't booked a table.
大概要等多久？
How long is the wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait?
可以要一张靠窗的桌子吗？
Can we get a table by the window? Can we get a table by the window? Can we get a table by the window?
有宝宝座椅吗？
Do you have a high chair for the baby? Do you have a high chair for the baby? Do you have a high chair for the baby?
稍后还有人要来。
Someone is joining us later. Someone is joining us later. Someone is joining us later.
可以给我们看一下菜单吗？
Could we see the menu, please? Could we see the menu, please? Could we see the menu, please?
今天有什么特色菜吗？
Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today?
你有什么推荐吗？
What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
我还没准备好点餐。
I'm not ready to order yet. I'm not ready to order yet. I'm not ready to order yet.
能再给我们几分钟吗？
Can you give us a few more minutes? Can you give us a few more minutes? Can you give us a few more minutes?
我要牛排。
I'll have the steak. I'll have the steak. I'll have the steak.
我想要凯撒沙拉。
I'd like the Caesar salad, please. I'd like the Caesar salad, please. I'd like the Caesar salad, please.
这个配薯条吗？
Does this come with fries? Does this come with fries? Does this come with fries?
酱汁可以分开装吗？
Can I get the sauce on the side? Can I get the sauce on the side? Can I get the sauce on the side?
我对花生过敏。
I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts.
这道菜是怎么做的？
How is this dish prepared? How is this dish prepared? How is this dish prepared?
我可以把汤换成沙拉吗？
Can I substitute the soup for a salad? Can I substitute the soup for a salad? Can I substitute the soup for a salad?
我要一样的。
I'll have the same. I'll have the same. I'll have the same.
目前就这些，谢谢。
That's all for now, thank you. That's all for now, thank you. That's all for now, thank you.
改成套餐，我要套餐。
Make it a combo. Make it a combo. Make it a combo.
打扰一下，可以再加点水吗？
Excuse me, could we get some more water? Excuse me, could we get some more water? Excuse me, could we get some more water?
饮料可以免费续杯吗？
Do you have free refills? Do you have free refills? Do you have free refills?
能把盐递给我吗？
Could you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt?
这很好吃。
This is delicious. This is delicious. This is delicious.
对我来说有点太咸了。
It's a little too salty for me. It's a little too salty for me. It's a little too salty for me.
可以多给几张餐巾纸吗？
Can I get some extra napkins? Can I get some extra napkins? Can I get some extra napkins?
可以再给我一把叉子吗？
Could I have another fork? Could I have another fork? Could I have another fork?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
一切都很好，谢谢。
Everything is great, thank you. Everything is great, thank you. Everything is great, thank you.
可以给我们来点面包吗？
Could we get some bread? Could we get some bread? Could we get some bread?
这不是我点的菜。
This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered.
我的菜凉了。
My food is cold. My food is cold. My food is cold.
我们已经等了很久了。
We've been waiting a long time. We've been waiting a long time. We've been waiting a long time.
我们的菜快好了吗？
Is our food on the way? Is our food on the way? Is our food on the way?
我觉得点单弄错了。
I think there is a mistake in the order. I think there is a mistake in the order. I think there is a mistake in the order.
买单，谢谢。
Check, please. Check, please. Check, please.
我们可以分开结账吗？
Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill?
你们收信用卡吗？
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
小费包含在里面了吗？
Is the tip included? Is the tip included? Is the tip included?
我想把剩下的打包。
I'd like to take the rest to go. I'd like to take the rest to go. I'd like to take the rest to go.
可以给我一个打包盒吗？
Can I get a to-go box? Can I get a to-go box? Can I get a to-go box?
不用找零了。
Keep the change. Keep the change. Keep the change.
请给我收据。
Can I have the receipt, please? Can I have the receipt, please? Can I have the receipt, please?
谢谢你的服务。
Thank you for the service. Thank you for the service. Thank you for the service.
我们吃得很开心。
We really enjoyed the meal. We really enjoyed the meal. We really enjoyed the meal.
谢谢你的观看。如果你喜欢这样的教学，记得点赞、订阅，还有留言互动，这样可以让更多人看到这个视频。我们下期再见。